So as you guys know, when people get a drop on RuneScape, they have various different reactions. Some people are chill.
LOL, day chain.
And some people get so happy they start to choke on whatever it is they're eating.
What's that? Mud battle staff! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yeah!
Okay, but seriously, I think he was so happy because they were just talking about getting one, as you can see in the chat. And lastly, this clip is so awesome it doesn't even need commentary. Damn, that's gotta be hands down the best spec we've seen so far.